Hello, one of the ideas that I would like to share with you to create a home spa experience is to set the mood, silence your phone. You can as well set some nice music, turn the lights down, light up some candles, and set some time out for yourself. One of my favorite things to do is to create a sugar scrub to gently exfoliate my skin. You can do this at least once a week, and as well follow it with a nice moisturizer. To create a sugar scrub, you can add half a cup of sugar, some oils that you may have around your home, perhaps olive oil or coconut oil. You can mix that into a nice paste and add essential oils as well to create a nice aromatherapy experience. To follow the sugar scrub, you want to apply that gently onto your skin to exfoliate. You can get into your heels, your feet, your hands, or even all over your body. You want to follow that off with a nice rinse. You can use warm towels if you like, and then continue that with a nice moisturizing lotion. This is one of the things that I like to do at home to create my own spa experience. I hope this works for you.